Hello and welcome to Wisdom Warriors. My name is Khushbu and today I am going to share my experience of SSB and of getting recommended in my very first attempt with you. This video is going to be in both the languages, that is Hindi and English. That is because we have received a lot of messages where students said that ma'am please thoda Hindi bhi dala karo, so that is there for you. So let us dive into the video. I had flown down from Pune to Bhopal. The reporting was somewhere around 5 to 5:30 in the morning. तो जब हमने वहां पे रिपोर्ट किया था, दो लाइंस बनाई गई थी, एक तो फ्रेशर्स की लाइन थी और एक रिपीटर्स की लाइन थी. तब स्टैंडिंग इन द फ्रेशर्स लाइन, पर्सन हु वाज इन चार्ज देयर asked if we had got our all the documents. So we responded yes to it and then we went inside. A little document check happened, the affidavits and the mark sheets or the admit card or the NCC certificate and all that they checked, and then we went for breakfast. It was my very first time in Madhya Pradesh and I found it to be very beautiful. I loved the way Bhopal was. बहुत प्यारा छोटा शहर लगा मुझे. इस सब के बीच में I was in a lot of tension because I have two tattoos. One is on the wrist and another is on the forearm. So I was worried कि ये tattoo की वजह से ना निकाल दे बाहर. So I went and spoke to the person who was in charge. Actually supported me a lot. He made me fill those tattoo forms and he, it is supposed to go to the higher authority and come back. So that happened and I was okay. अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैं tattoo की वजह से तो बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ आज. Somewhere around 400 women had reported and out of which 30-40 had got document out. So if you're going to the SSB, make sure that you have all the documents in hand. That is the worst thing that can happen to a candidate. And I genuinely felt bad for them. मतलब इतने दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं, पंजाब, हरियाणा, South India, Maharashtra, Delhi and all that. And I felt so bad that they didn't even get to sit to the screening process just because they were missing a few documents here and there. उसके बाद टू अ हॉल जहाँ पे हमारा OIR टेस्ट कंडक्ट किया गया. इट वॉज वेरी इजी, मतलब जो मैंने देखा था और पढ़ा था उसके हिसाब से तो इट वॉज कंपैरेटिवली वेरी इजी. तो आई वॉज हैप्पी विद दैट. द बेटर योर OIR रैंक इज, इफ योर OIR रैंक इज 1 or 2, द बेटर चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग स्क्रीन्ड इन. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू द SSB, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग OIR. दिस इज द बुक दैट आई वुड सजेस्ट फॉर द OIR 1. उसके बाद हमें स्टोरी लिखनी थी. पिक्चर बहुत ही ब्लर थी, बहुत ब्लर पिक्चर थी. लाइक मैं बहुत पीछे भी बैठी थी और मेरे को दिख भी नहीं रहा था अच्छे से. बट आई समहाउ रोट द स्टोरी इन अ मिनट. मैंने अच्छे से वो एक्शन और वो सब अच्छे से किया. And then the narration part came. One thing that I've noticed in a lot of candidates is that you have some time between the story and the narration. तो मैंने बीच में देखा कि बहुत लड़कियां चिट चैट कर रही है, इधर उधर घूम फिर रही है. Instead of that, What I did was मैंने बैठ के वो स्टोरी रिवाइज की, एक दो बार खुद से बोली, देखा क्या मैं स्टोरी 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट कर सकती हूँ, and then only I went to the narration. So when I actually narrated the story, it helped me out tremendously. I was confident with my story. I knew कि मेरी OIR की रैंक 1 or 2 से नीचे नहीं जाने वाली. My story was good. It was logical. It was not a story which was determined or something like that कि मैं घर से रट के स्टोरी आई हो फिर मैं वही स्टोरी जाके बोल दी. Nothing of that sort. It matched the picture. It was very logical in nature कि ऐसे नहीं कि मैं खुद ही हीरो और मैं सब कुछ. Very very logical story to narrate it in a minute also. And my group discussion also went very well. Listening to my points, and there are ways that you make people listen to your points about it when the SSB videos are released. How to make someone listen to your point and what should be your body language, how should you speak, what should be your tone of voice. Everything will be discussed in those videos. So screening went well for me. I was confident enough that I'll get screened in. पैर तक results announce हो चुके थे and I was third person to call. I was happy. 18 to 20 girls were screened in and it was a little less number but a good number. I was like, okay, let's see what day 2 brings for me. We went inside, we got our barracks and all that. We got settled in and I think the friends that I've made in the SSB, I'm still in touch with them. And उसके बाद side test थी day 2 पे. But रात को all of us, 6 of us were sitting and we were talking about life कि कहाँ से आए हो, what has your learnings been and everything. So that was a very heart to heart conversation of someone जिनसे मैं अभी मिली हूँ. Like 5 to 6 hours before I was able to share my secrets with them. And I think that is the part where I think that SSB is not just test or something like that. It actually gives you a life experience. I still remember Preeti and Himani and Pavitra is in the academy now. So we had that kind of fun, and then it was not just a test. it was like okay, we as a team are doing something, and we had that kind of motive. The last time I had felt it was during my modeling days, जब हम मिस इंडिया कर रहे थे और एक रूम में रुके थे, एंड व्हेन यू डिस्कस ऑल दोस थिंग्स, आई थिंक दैट एक्सपीरियंस आई फेल्ट इन द एसएसबी आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ऐसी बात नहीं है, झगड़े वगड़े भी हुए हैं, बट दूसरे बैचेस से, हमारे खुद में ऐसे नहीं हुआ. वी वर लाइक गुड एज अ टीम. दूसरे दिन साइट टेस्ट था. मैं साइट टेस्ट को अच्छे से घर से प्रिपेयर करके गई थी. आई हैड प्रैक्टिस्ड वैट, एसटी एंड एसआरटीज होलिस्टिकली. हाउएवर मैं टैट प्रैक्टिस करके नहीं गई थी. आई वांटेड टैट टू बी वेरी ऑथेंटिक, और मुझे चाहिए था कि मेरी जो नेचुरल पर्सनालिटी है वो पेपर पे दिखे. टेस्ट भी बढ़िया रहा मेरा. आई वॉज एबल टू राइट ऑल द 12 स्टोरीज. मैं 60 वैट कंप्लीट कर चुकी थी. मैं 56 एसआरटीज करी थी, एंड एसडी मैं अच्छे से लिख के आई थी. मैंने अच्छे से सबका ओपिनियन लिया था, मेरे पेरेंट्स का, मेरे टीचर्स का, एंड दैट ओपिनियन वॉज एक्चुअली रियल. साइकोलॉजिस्ट विल एक्चुअली असेस माई पर्सनैलिटी. ही इज गोइंग टू बी सीइंग द रियल पर्सनैलिटी. और आप अगर झूठ लिख रहे हो ना एसडी में, तो वो दिखेगा. कहीं ना कहीं आप उससे पकड़े जाओगे अगर आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. तो आई वुड रेकमेंड कि एटलीस्ट इन साइट टेस्ट नॉट राइट समथिंग दैट इज नॉट replicates you as a person. I was really happy with my performance in the psych test. शाम को हम बैडमिंटन वगैरह खेलते थे, बास्केटबॉल खेलते थे, तो बड़ा मजा आता था. आई हैड वेंट इन दिसंबर, तो भोपाल में बहुत ठंड होती है दिसंबर में. दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. नेक्स्ट डे वाज GTO 1, बट उसके बाद मेरा इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट किया गया था. तो पहले हम इंटरव्यू की बात करते हैं. आई टोल्ड यू, अब तक हम काफी अच्छे से सारे दोस्त बन चुके थे. मेरा चेस्ट नंबर था 19 और उन्होंने शुरुआत की थी 15 से लेने को. तो 15 के बाद 18 तक मैंने सब लोगों से बात कर चुकी थी कि हाउ इज द इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर, व्हाट इज ही आस्किंग. तो उससे बात होती है इन जनरल, तो everybody whom I spoke to was कि he's very chill and he's not pressuring you at all. But I did not find him chill at all. मुझे काफी अच्छे से ग्रिल किया गया था मेरे इंटरव्यू में, तो मुझे चिल तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगे थे. So I went inside and I was like, sir, may I come in? And I sat. And then he started asking me those rapid वाले questions कि अच्छा tell me this, tell me that. तो हमने मेरे पेरेंट्स के बारे में बात किया. We talked about my family business. मुझे ना 10th में अच्छे मार्क्स है, फिर 12th में कम है, और फिर अगेन ग्रेजुएशन में अच्छे मार्क्स है. So he asked me, why is the curve like this? Why is it not a straight line going up? तो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव सीन इन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल कि एक तो 10th में अच्छे है, फिर 12th में कम है, और फिर ग्रेजुएशन में और भी कम है. तो दैट मेक्स द इंटरव्यू ऑफिसर फील कि योर परफॉर्मेंस हैज डिक्लाइंड ओवर द ईयर. However, in an interview, आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो उसके साथ लॉजिक चिपकाओ, because logic is something that it is the best way to make anybody out there convinced of what you are saying. A logical input actually determines the psychology of that person कि वो कितना सच बोल रहा है, कितना झूठ बोल रहा है. In order to make a conversation very interesting, the best thing is to add details into it. Also, when you add details, it is understood by another person that you are saying the truth and you are not just bluffing. So anytime you go to an interview, make sure that you add details. Even when you are performing a psych test, when you add little details to the story, and it shows that you are a very detail-oriented person, that you like to jump to depth of subjects. And that I felt my interview was a little different is that I was able to form a rapport with my interviewing officer. We were sharing our opinions about Aksai Chin, Tawang, Ladakh, Galwan Valley, J&K. So we talked about a holistic amount of things that actually had an impact on India, which were in the current affairs. We spoke about China and the Chinese aggression. Why is it called the dragon? What is the impact of the Chinese since last 10 years? How has it increased? We talked about the US, the aircrafts that the US has, how are they different, and how can we as a nation can improve our defense exports. So I think it was just not an interview for me, but we were discussing about something. Two individuals with intellect were discussing about something related to the nation, and I think that is something that I found very interesting in the conversation that we had. उन्होंने मुझे कन्विंस कर दिया था ऑलमोस्ट कि आई एम नॉट राइट फॉर फौज, आई एम राइट फॉर मॉडलिंग. तो ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं, देयर इज नो प्लेस फॉर यू हियर, यू शुड गो एंड डू मॉडलिंग, स्टे हैप्पी, डू मॉडलिंग. आई हैड टू कन्विंस हिम कि नहीं सर, मुझे ये नहीं, ये करना है करके. आई टोल्ड हिम कि इट वाज समथिंग आई डिड आउट ऑफ हॉबी, नथिंग एज अ प्रोफेशनल thing. And then he asked me, why do you want to join the Indian Army? And so I explained it to him that I do not want to have a monotonous job or something that is 9 to 5. And the reason I'm so attracted towards the army is one, green, and the second is I have seen women in the Southern Command in the uniform. On a ground level, I can have that perspective. Even if I go to ASC, I have those management skills. I have a degree in the management. I can do well in the ASC as well if I get in. We also spoke about gender equality, on which he had asked my opinion, to which I replied that sir, men and women are different. They are biologically different. They act differently and they speak differently. They think differently. I also explained to him that a man can be physically more fit and be more physically strong than a woman, but that doesn't make a woman any less. And a woman can be better at multitasking, handling the finances, planning and organizing. That doesn't make a man any less of being a man himself. So when we start embracing these differences as two different genders, we can move ahead and go hand in hand as a society. Also spoke about women empowerment and the cerebral opportunities that a woman should get. It was a beautiful conversation, somewhere around 30 to 40 minutes we had, and the interview was over there. However, there was a little slight thing that happened in the interview where he had asked me that, Khushbu, what do you do for your fitness? I replied to, and he asked it very casually. He said, Acha, what do you do? So I said, sir, I run. I love to run. It's like a meditation to me. So he said, Acha, how much do you run? So I was like, sir, I run 5 kilometers. I'm like, how much time? And I said 28 to 30 minutes. So to which he said, okay, then what is the speed, Khushbu? And I was like, okay. And he said only 5 seconds to answer. So I answered the speed. मैंने बता दिया. He bad at maths. उनको पता चल गया था कि this person is not good at maths. तो 2-3 minutes he grilled me on it. I got many insights from that interview. Personality wise also, knowledge wise also. I walked out of the room and I was confident that I have performed well. I have given my best. And now let us see what GTO brings to us. की बात करें तो PGT, HGT, FGT went well for me. We were able to, as a team, as a whole, we were able to take away the obstacles and move ahead. So I think more in GTO what matters is that it is not just you in the team, but how are you taking ahead the entire team with you and not leaving even one person back. So that is something that matters in GTO. Yes, the group discussion, you are supposed to keep your points, but you also need to keep in your mind that we as a group, we have to come to a conclusion. हम GP का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, तो जैसे आप 10 बंदे हो, तो आप कैसे डिवाइड कर रहे हो? अगर एक टास्क के लिए अगर एक ही बंदा चाहिए, तो तुम वहां पे 3 डाल रहे हो, तो वहां पे गलती कर रहे हो. And these little mistakes you have to keep in mind कि ये होना नहीं चाहिए. इट इज सिंपल कि तुम कितना लॉजिकल हो, कितना रियलिस्टिक बन के उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हो एज एन ऑफिसर, बिकॉज दीज आर गोइंग टू बी द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू माइट फेस एज एन ऑफिसर इन योर ओन करियर. मोमेंट दैट यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट स्मॉल थिंग्स इन लाइफ, it is going to start having bigger impacts. So look at the small things, make it right, and you will have the right things at right places for you. Obstacle race, we had won, our team had won, so we were very happy. The obstacle task, 2 to 8 obstacles I had done, a lot of people getting injured. तो मुझे ऐसा था कि यार मैं 7 करूंगी, खुश रहूंगी, मुझे 10 के 10 नहीं करने. लेक्चरेट में मुझे जो 3-4 टॉपिक्स आते हैं उसमें मुझे मिला था इंडियन ओशन, डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन, and something very easy. I chose Indian Ocean. I just spoke about South China Sea, international boundaries, the nautical miles and all that. सब अच्छे से बता दिया मैंने कि ridges, sea mounts वगैरह वगैरह क्या क्या होते हैं, how does it impact. Last में conference हुई हमारी and we all were sitting. Conference के पहले सब बैठे हुए थे and भोपाल में इतनी ठंड होती है कि टेंशन से ज्यादा हमें ठंड ज्यादा लग रही थी. तो we all were singing songs and all that. I waited for hardly a minute and then I was called inside. तो मैं गई अंदर and the deputy president asked me, how was the food? Did you like it? And I said, yeah, it was wonderful. I loved it. So then he said, okay. And then I was about to leave, but he said, Khushbu, do you run? Is it? And I was like, yes, I do. And inside my mind, मेरे बस दिमाग में ये चल रहा था कि सर मैथ क्वेश्चन मत पूछना. सब लोग यूनिफॉर्म में ऐसे बैठे हुए, मेरे लेफ्ट साइड पे साइकोलॉजिस्ट बैठी हुई है एंड शी इज राइटिंग एवरीथिंग दैट आई एम सेइंग. मी यार्ड्स को कन्वर्ट करो, फिर सेंटीमीटर टू मीटर एंड ऑल दोस डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऐसे किया. आई टुक माई टाइम, आई केप्ट माई काम एंड आई आंसर्ड ऑल हिज क्वेश्चंस. वेंट आउट एंड आई वाज लाइक ये क्या हो गया. आफ्टर दैट मैं बाहर आई, वहां पे एक बड़ा सा स्टोन था, मैं वहां जाके बैठ गई. लाइक इट इज ओके, not everything is going to go the way we expect it to always. I sat, I kept my calm, I told myself, okay, believe in yourself, see to it, what's come, we'll see to it. Results announced हुए दोपहर के 1-2 बजे तक and 3 to 4 of us were recommended. All of them were seriously recommended. I was the only fresher who was recommended. I was happy. So chest number 19, so call out. It's a different feeling. It's a beautiful feeling that you're sitting and then they say, okay, chest number 19 and this and that. It felt very nice. So I was like, okay, ho gaya finally. I was never desperate to get recommended. I definitely I had it in my mind that I want to get recommended, I want to become a part of the army. However, it was never my only perspective or only motive in life. I had a life which served well for me before the army as well, and because of that I wanted to join the army. के बाद हमें नए rooms allot हुए, the recommended ones. We got the chest numbers with the plus sign. Beautiful feeling. The next day I got medically fit. I had got 2 TRs for my 2 tattoos, which I got fit when I came back to Southern Command in Pune. तो वहाँ पे मैं fit हो चुकी थी. I secured all India rank 28. It was a beautiful journey for me, and the reason that everything worked out so well is because I never doubted myself in any of the processes. Yes, at times things did not went the way that I wanted it to be, but the belief in my own self and my own personality that I might be fit for the forces or not is a different story. Am I fit for myself is the first thing that you have to know. Okay, are you comfortable in your own skin first, and then you might be able to fit in somebody else's eyes before you're fitting in your own. So this was it. I have had a wonderful experience and things did work out for me, and I hope that things work out for you as well. Have faith in the Almighty. He's there. He's watching us all. But please also improve yourself if you're lacking somewhere. अगर आपको English नहीं आती, अगर आपकी communication weak है, अगर आपकी personality उतनी अच्छे से develop नहीं हुई है, तो please start working on yourself and have faith. I have seen people going inside in the 19th and 20th attempt. So it's always okay. Keep trying, keep striving, and you will reach there. I promise you that. इस भी जा रहे हो तो कुछ भी fake मत करना, वहाँ पे पकड़े जाओगे. ठीक है? So this was it. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our upcoming videos. This was Khushbu. This was Wisdom Warriors.